Hello.
We are back with another video.
Yes.
Today we are playing foxes, safari animals, not a lot of them, and wolfies.
Wolfies.
So, oh, there's a wolf. There's a wolf. That's our wolf. Okay. So over here we have the fox territory. These three candles split the fox territory. So here, wait. Let me give you a bit of a. So this area is the fox. This area is the wolf. And that back area over there is the safari.
Yeah.
Hope you got that because we're not saying it again. All right, you ready?
Yep.
We're playing.
She's so cold.
It's freezing out here.
Actually, it's.
All right, this takes place in winter, by the way. It's in winter.
This is a she.
It's freezing. Right, it's freezing, right, sis?
Yeah, it is. It's really cold.
Look at all the snow on the ground, though.
Well, I'm a winter fox, so I don't really have to worry about that.
We know you're a winter fox.
Yeah, you could kind of tell.
Mm-hmm.
I just painted this one.
My dad's a winter fox.
Yeah, he could stand the cold. But not like us, we have to hibernate.
Chicken fries, honey wings. Tomorrow making chicken, which we already have. Broccoli.
Wait, where's his orb?
Rice, which
He doesn't have one.
Wednesday.
His orb.
No, he doesn't have one.
Green beans, which are buying.
But he still knows cool acrobatics
Yeah, so does this one.
and fight skills.
This one kind of knows how to fight.
Fries.
He knows how. His dad teaches him how to fight.
The ground turkey still no lasagna.
We take turns holding it. Because, like, when I need both of my hands right now, so, to be my characters. So, I need you to hold it.
Okay. I'm. How about I just hold it? Because I'm used to it, like, doing like this with my
Yes,
characters.
whatever. When we're doing a fight scene, we might have to grab the stick.
Yeah. No.
Or when we're using a fight scene, we're going to have to probably grab the stick.
Yeah. I don't know.
Son, this is how you fight. So first, arm up. Okay. Arm down behind you. Arm down behind you. Leg up. And then donkey kick.
Ugh.
But they'll eat bread and crudité.
Okay. Arm up.
They said they would.
Arm up. Behind you. Donkey kick.
And we're still.
Wait, Bert, do that again.
All right. Arm up. Arm behind.
Buying pizza.
Leg up. And donkey kick.
Pretend there was like a howl because there was a clan meeting.
Oh,
Like
clan
at
meeting.
the.
Oh, clan meeting.
Everyone, come here.
The kids won't eat. So we're gonna have pizza and then cold pizza.
Ugh,
today.
can't stand frostbite that I have. Oh, so cold. Okay, so everybody, as you all know, over there is
The safaris.
the safaris. Yes,
And on the other side is the wolves.
yes. So as you know,
We've gotten news that one of the wolf cubs got attacked by the safari animals. And we all know that they are very strong. And they have asked for us to help them. Because we both know that they are our biggest enemies. And they're too strong for each of us individual. So we need our clans to come together.
come together.
What?
No, we're not gonna do that.
But the wolves are our enemies.
We
Yes,
know.
they are. But the safari animals are our bigger enemies. That is true, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So we're going to have to
So
help
everyone in favor of helping the wolves and defeating the safari animals once and for all, please step forward.
Pretend everyone stepped forward.
Okay.
Everyone's in.
It's a vote.
Yay!
Tomorrow morning, we meet in between the line of us and the wolves.
Yes.
Okay? Everyone, go to bed.
Come on. I sleep over here. to sleep. Wait. No, it's nighttime, everybody.
Night, night.
Pretend this one couldn't stand because like she was super cold and she had her leg. Let's go. Come on, guys. The next day. Wait, let's go over here.
Morning time. All right. Wake up. Meet in between the sides.
Wait, no, we go over here.
Everyone meets somewhere along the sides.
Yes. Come on, everybody. Wait, we have to be in the middle because like we're the leaders. Yeah.
Okay. Gather.
They can't take the wolf pup though. Because.
No, the wolf pups will help.
Yeah, but like the wolf pups, but not like that one.
Yeah, that one can't help. But this one's gonna have to help. Okay. So we have all gathered to meet here.
Yes.
We've gathered because we need each other's help to defeat the safaris once and for all.
Yeah.
Is everyone on board? Does anyone want to say anything before we start?
Yes. Why? What happened? Like, did
One of our kids was looking around the sides and got bit by one of the lion cubs.
But why? But like, what
Because
was the reason? Was she
They
in
just
their
bit it.
territory?
No, she was on our side.
On purpose?
They just bit her for no reason.
Oh.
All right, let's shake. Let us shake paws. Here, grab it. Okay. Now we are officially joined. Now we meet on the fox side.
No, on the wolf side.
No, we go to the fox side.
The fox side it is.
Put the leaders in the middle.
No, that's not the leader.
Yeah.
Not the leader's pups, but like just the leaders. They're kind of going.
Then
Your dad needs to.
Actually, can this one be a boy?
yeah.
His name is Lucas.
Sure.
Why have you come?
You have hurted one of our animals. I admit to it. I'm the one who did it. Pretend they heard rustling in the bushes, and then the lion cub popped out. The male lion cub popped out. To unzoom out.
Why would you do that? Now we're gonna get in trouble.
Well, they were in our territory.
No, they weren't. And even if they were, we would have done. But just because they're not in our territory and they're kind of close to our territory doesn't mean you have to do it. Because
Well,
they
there
were over the
are
wall.
enemies. Sorry, Mom. Well, we need it. Well, now they're gonna fight us. Yes, they are.
What the heck is going on?
They're coming to fight us.
Oh. Is it because you bit that stupid cub?
Yeah, it is.
Oh. Good job.
Well,
Okay.
here we go. Pretend actually the foxes and the wolves didn't come together, and then everyone was just fighting.
Oh, okay.
All right, cut that out. Pretend the foxes and wolves never met, and we change of plans. Okay,
Yeah.
just
You really think you can beat me?
no.
Pretend this one bit it on his
That's
paw.
the lead. That
He didn't even get to finish his sentence.
Hey, that's my wife. Oh shit. How?
Another thing that I thought
Uh-oh. Ah! Whoa! Whoa!
Pretend this one was like. Pretend this one like ripped its skin open.
no one hold me.
Pretend this one was just tearing it.
Pretend this one finally like lifted up and then roared. Pretend his bandage fell off. So you're not the. So you're not the leader.
Pretend he was actually like cornered here by these two. Uh-oh.
Like IFX things, like all of this school stuff.
Pretend he was about to go in. Get him!
Are you okay?
Not really. No.
Like, what are we doing here? Oh my god. I'm in full on like panic.
Wait,
No.
I'll be right back, Joel.
Okay.
No.
Pretend this one like jumped down. And pretend she
Pretend they climb up. Uh-oh.
Pretend this one like pretend this one kicked its face.
Arms up, arms behind, donkey kick.
Wait.
Arms. He's distracted. Arms up, arms behind, and ow, my foot. Uh-oh.
Hey, you need some help there, Rhino?
Nope, I got this.
Okay, bye.
Ah!
This is the end of it, Shakira. I mean, oh wait, we're on the same team. Pretend I may be small, but I'm savage. Pretend she started like she like ripped like
1, 2, 3.
pretend she like ripped like his skin. It's stuck. Oh. Wait, I'm beating this one. Here's Rhino.
You're done. No. Oh. Oh, my stomach.
You can see his bones. Cause there's magic in my bones. Ah.
Pretend he got stabbed by the rhino.
Pretend these two like both
Pretend
like
it flipped him.
pretend this one like both jumped in and then bit it.
No.
Got this feeling, yeah, you know where I'm losing.
Pretend this one like was like had its horn up to its neck and was about to kill it. Stand down, or else I will kill this cat. No! I'll do anything. It will die. Surrender now, or it's gonna die. Okay. I'll do it. Pretend he like winked up. Okay. Oh, hey, what?
Wait, I mean,
Hey.
wow. Pretend it ran.
Ow, my stomach.
Oh. Pretend this one was like about to like fall off the cliff.
Pretend he like grabbed onto a really far vine, and pretend he threw the vine and it wrapped around her, and then he pulled it, and she went flying over here. Are you okay?
I guess.
Look behind you, Dad. Honey.
He just falls to the ground.
He's hurt. What?
Are you coming with me?
I guess so. Are you leaving right now?
Okay, bye, Troy.
Have fun with your video.
Coming or not?
I will.
What? You will?
No.
Okay.
I don't want to.
Have fun with your video.
I will.
I need my phone, Joy. Are you wrapping that up?
Yeah,
Because I need it when I go.
Okay, guys. I have to go. I'll do a part 2. Can I do a part 2 tomorrow? Okay. Bye. Bye.